to set up the lead extension, how to pass the information from lead extension to customer using the CallRail. So that's our goal for today's exercise. We have we need our task list open, our CallRail open with the customer, and our account open for the customer. So the first thing what we do is to make sure that we have the email where we're going to send the leads after the lead form is populated. So here we have, let's take perfect storm shutters. We have email of the customer support service that is receiving all the submitted forms from the website. This is where we're going to send our lead forms to. So that's important piece of information that we have to have. The second, we need to have some good content for our lead form, right? So we take where we're going to take this good content. We're going to look in our ads, our best performing ads with a lot of impressions. We're going to open the website, look at our form to have some ideas how client wants to form look like, and get some ideas from the best performing headlines and description from the ad copy. Let's keep it to the side, open a separate window. Assets, lead forms. Create the lead form. So there is looks like there is some disapproved lead form. Let's create another one. So headline. Let's go in our headline and see what are best performing headlines. Let's see. Caribbean. Let's pick the better one. General. 1 second. Go to ads. Open. All right, so we have location insertion, we have keyword insertion, so by default the best performing ones. Let's take this one. Hurricane Shutters Miami. That's the good headline. So we cannot use any keyword insertion, location insertion inside the email or inside the form submission. We have to just delete that, and then the company name would be Perfect Storm Shutters. Perfect Storm Shutters. Let's do it. Nicole, tell me if you would want, like, if you have better ideas, or maybe you have because you have a lot of experience with this stuff too. So if you have better ideas on how to do it, chip in.
Got it. No problem.
So that's how I would do it. I just take best performing kind of content from the existing responsive ad, plug it into the lead form, and that's it, all done. But we might use content from the form here, right? From the website, from the competition. So multiple ways to do it, and we can also A/B test different lead forms, right? Run them side by side in more advanced setups in the future. Once all the clients have lead forms populated, we can actually have lead form A/B testing, right, with different content for the lead form, and see which lead forms will perform better, in A/B test.
Awesome. So we can add that as a future.
Yeah, we can add it as another column there later on. So, okay, so we have name. I just replicate the form that's already on the website, so nothing to invent here. Name, phone number, email, right? That's exactly what we got here. And the call to action, get free estimate now, okay? So unfortunately, we do not have that's a problematic point right here. For very few clients, we have privacy policy URL. That's what I'm trying to push, and that we have it for everyone, right? So that's the purpose of this column here, privacy policy. We don't have it for this client. So, but Google, this point, ignores it. So they don't check the privacy policy right now manually. They might start checking it soon, and then all the lead forms that we created will be disapproved. But at this point, they don't. So we just put whatever we link, just link to the landing page and keep going. The image would be whatever image we already used here. Let's see, like more or less decent and relevant. The shutters, I guess this one. Okay, people working on shutters, perfect. So we can keep it as it is. Visit form, we just put our landing page. What call to action description, we can just get it from here. Get free estimate now. Get estimate. All right, so now our form is ready. Let's double check everything. There is no typos. Hurricane Shutters Miami. Perfect Storm Shutters. Okay, we're good. All right, so now we have to push this data to CallRail. Integrations. Make sure that we are in correct customer, perfect storm shutters, yes. And then find the integration for Google Ad lead forms. So this is our webhook. Let's create new key. It's pretty straightforward. Paste the webhooks. Paste the key. Send the test data. Okay, now we send the test data. Now we have to make sure that test data are collected. So we're going to, this is saved, created, then we're going to go to our analytics. Forms, activity, form submissions. All right, so this is our perfect storm shutters, the test that we just sent here. Okay, so works. So now we're ready to go back and save. For conversions, yeah. Double check everything. Looks good. Save. All right. So now, the next very important step. Right now, we're sending the form submissions to CallRail. We saw that it actually been passed. It works. Now we have to make sure that client actually receives information about this from these form submissions. So we have to go back to our spreadsheet, to our customer service email, copy it, and set up notifications in CallRail for this customer. So we go to my account, notifications, select company, perfect. Storm shutters. So wait a second, no, I'm in the wrong place. So not summary email. So we don't want to have summary. We want to send calls and text. I was in the wrong place. Create notification. Perfect shutters. We're going to create new email recipient if it's not already created. Select insert our customer service email. Make sure that calls and text have been sent to the client on the well, that's notification for calls and text submissions, but we want to send them anyway. So it doesn't really have anything to do with the forms, but we really want to send all notifications to the customer anyway, just in case. So customer has all the information on the leads, and we send them all the data on the incoming leads from call, whether it's from forms or from calls or from text. Let's go all interactions. Yeah, that's fine. All tasks, delivery, email. Now to send the lead form notifications, that would be forms, create notifications. Shutters. Again, the same process. Insert the customer service email, customize, and just keep everything else as a default. So that's it. So whatever information has been collected for the customer, being at the moment of the call or the form submission, this email, the customer service will receive it now via email notification. That's it. We all set.
Awesome.
Do you have any suggestions? How would you do it better?
I don't know. I think this was very efficient. I like the A/B testing.
Okay, but maybe we can write another tutorial later on.